Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is very special day, special food from my sister. So guys, I'll show you the food, very special. So this is food here. Wow, the name of the food is corn food. I know idoma people know how to prepare it very well. If you know you are a idoma person watching my video, you understand this food very well. This is corn food. We call it utompinyi from our language. I don't know how other people call it too, but for our side, we call it utompinyi. When fresh corn come out new like this, if you go idoma land, you see this food very special. When you grind it, when you peel the corn from the stick, grind it from machine, big machine, no, it's not blender. You take it to big machine and grind it. After grind it, you buy your ugu leaf. So guys can see the food. As I was saying, when you go to idoma land, you see this food very special. You peel your corn, take it to machine, and they'll grind it. And if you want to use the corn, use the one that is strong small. Don't use that one that is very soft, that is not strong, because if you grind it from machine, the thing go dey too watery, no go fit take and make utompinyi. So but if you buy the one wey is strong small, you grind it, the thing will come down one shey you see how e be. You come down one, then you buy your ugu leaf or your pumpkin leaf. Those two leaf na im fit use to prepare it. After you put it in the pot, I will tell you the recipe. It's my sister that prepare it and bring it for me, but I'll tell you guys the recipe in case if you want to do it at home. If you are a idoma person watching my video and if you want to prepare it at home. So after you grind it for machine, that stick that you comot the corn, put it under your pot, then spray that leaf on top. Then you spray the corn that you grind from machine on top. Then you put it 2 step. Then after you put that one small, you put another leaf on top again. That leaf will dey the center. Then you carry the corn again, the one you grind o, put on top. Then you put small water. Don't put plenty water so that the thing will not soak the water, soak the corn, so that the thing will come dey watery. So after you put small water, then you cover it. Make sure cover it well so that the heat will make the food done. After if you like, you use leather cover it before you use the cover pot to cover it, so that the heat will make it done very well. So then you keep it, you leave it for fire like 25 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Then you check it. After you go and check it, use your spoon to touch it from the pot like this. If you see how the color change, you know say e don done. But when you check it and you go see some white, if you get 2 color, means never done well. Still cover it again so that the heat will done the food. Then when you check it and you see the color dey the same, no one dey different, then means it's set. Then you turn it for tray. Then you scatter it. You use your spoon or turning stick, anything, to scatter it. If you use your hand to burn you because dey very hot, use spoon or turning stick to scatter it. After you do that one, some even dey boil beans put inside, but me I prefer it like this. So after you do that one finish, you keep it aside. Then you go for the sauce. This is the sauce. The sauce, you use palm oil, pepper, If you like, use crayfish and mango season and okpehe. You know wetin dem dey call okpehe? One black something, dey smell, but if you are prepare food in idoma land and if you didn't add that thing, your food never complete. That thing dey sweet pass maggi. When you put that thing, then onion, you fry your onion very well with the palm oil. Then you put your pepper, you season it and see the sauce. This is the sauce you take to eat it. It's palm oil that you use to cook the sauce. So while you do it like this, your own na to fish small and put, or you put it in your side plate. You fish some inside. You can prepare it and keep it in your fridge and be fishing it small small be eat, because the work no be thing wey you just start na and finish o. E get work well well. So any day you want to cook this food, have to prepare. So I advise you that anytime you want to do it, you better you prepare it plenty and keep it in your fridge and be fishing it small small and eat, because it's not easy to be doing it every time. So this is the sauce. You fish small and put, then you mix it together. Then you fish. But for my village, if I dey village, I'll use my hand and mix it, because I want to be eating it and be lick my hand. So I'll enjoy it than spoon. So this is how we take prepare otompini. It's not a small work. Anytime you want to do it, you have to prepare yourself. You want it to, then you tie your head and you set all your ingredients and everything and you prepare it. Then you and your family, you sit and eat. So it's not an easy work. So guys, I'll show you my sister that prepared the food and bring for me. Say want to say hi to you guys. So this is my sister that prepared the food.
Everyone.
It's the one that prepared the food and bring for me. I just wake up from sleep. Now I see my sister with food. I say, wow, and I'm very, very hungry before. So this is the food that I'll eat afternoon and dinner, because you know they tire me. Keep watching. So guys can see it. The one I want to eat now. If I eat, I'll keep the remaining one inside the fridge. I'll not allow anybody to touch it. And this is the sauce. I'll fetch the sauce. See, if you are preparing the sauce, if you have scent leaf at home, can add scent leaf so that the thing will give am the flavor that you like. So I want to eat it small and see. Yeah, I'll show you guys how sweet the food be. Okay, so guys can see. Wow. Very yummy. Very, very yummy. So
Okay.
So guys can see. So that is all for special food from my sister. So guys, try it your home. If you are a idoma person watching my video, please try it and see. You see, you love it, and you lick your hand, and your family will love it too. So that is all. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it. We meet again in my next video. Bye.